Alright, this is a Breezair exvq155. Had to install a new roof jack because the old one was incorporated into the roof and was leaking water into the house. We did this all this afternoon on the 21st of July in Bennett, Colorado. It's actually running right now, if you can hear it. Probably can. Water line going downhill. Roof curb flashed in, trimmed in. You see that? There's your top view. That beautiful Colorado sky. And there you go, Breezair. Brand new install today. All weather HVAC. Get it done.